Alright, me church will be answer mo bi bia kwaba bi mfambra odin ho TV. I had the updates na trending news nkwa na this your viewers no. Make sure say and any day they can wuti and so share. Obe subscribe to our channel. Obe like, obe share more obusuafo na obi bia won sanka video so sanka video na just wo hu the trend wo oman Ghana ma had the update nkwa na this na nsem bi ebo free oye oman Ghana mu ase abusuafo enya asem keto akwa. Me pese message bre kwa no me yakom na kwa kuti ense no mu nche mu ye pa me ho adwumi saa so na wo so wuti ya wo so wo ho bedwuru ye pa na me se me ko na be kwa kuti mu ye pa na me so se obe subscribe ye ko ba ye be kwa akotoa ye be ba toa ye nkomo no se kutie na ye audio ni ba ye ba betoa ye nkomo no so sisi a me de obi bia ase kwa ba ya
we can only aspire to make it better. Fine, I say now no omanga parliament for echo who omoko ye retreat bi and omode standing orders for biaba. And they say here nantiko anymore. Political party bia into me throw letter krata and free headquarters. And the dying speaker say that's a front bench. Say a minority you, say a majority you. Parliament nankasa I stand on what is almost standing orders. I just say yeah. Omanga so mumra omode ejuma parliament was there. A free and echo. A man you could be into me camera. The only people who can change their leadership are a majority and as a minority caucus. And for me, I think it makes a lot of sense. Now, other in Tina, Ebebanesa, IAD and Komoya, the deal started 3 years, who could see me tweeting. And they say, they could be paying. It's in a one only baby agra. They will be near to check, who be paying. And they say, none of their cause will NDC. Obia Nkase, Obia be leader Afribo Dedi. Nobody has said so.
Number one.
Said Obia leader Afribo Dedi. But per convention and per practice, no. Normally, leadership changes after elections. Bagbin. They call friends and minority for the first time, and I said the co-position for the first time in 2001. And then next speaker Bagbin, that time no minority leader. Odiwe until 2008, and say you winning way, you know, a babemo, and the leadership changing. And say na, like Safoka, a majority leader. And say actually Kumbo should be a majority leader. Now the point I'm making is that none of the see. Last year, and I said last 2 years, say your elections, your free. And it's the NDC Congress, new leaders. I see look at your chairman, Chief General Secretary. Then got here. You say you're Pam Haruna Idrisu. Now, without any form of consultation, or more parliament, one consulting will be Haruna and Kasaman consulting as minority leader. And it's a NDC headquarters by a minority leader. Now, that kind of upheaval is not good for the democracy, and it's not good for parliamentary work itself. About 80 something MPs, a press conference, Haruna Echi. I say from headquarters near to Tuba. I said, look at Tony Dia, not 50 quid at Tony Dia. I said, look at Tony Dia, not 50 quid at Tony Dia. Then, Haruna on economics and finance. I say, in election, economics and finance, they are two forcing because or not economic finances. I mean, come now. When you do that kind of thing, it is not right, it is not proper, it is not fair. I mean, economics in any day. At the econometrics exam, our parliament hall. And I said, yeah. So when you say Haruna and economics, I said, it's an insult. It doesn't speak well. It is derogatory. It is disrespect. Who good anymore say? How person will say in a political career, oh yes, I am. It's not fair. So I believe, sir, going forward now, meaning our account, and our parliament could take its decisions. You see, because it's also about the work of parliament. Between you and I, come now. The idea and the idea you are something. Look at what NPP has done. What have they done? They have taken the deputy majority whip And they have moved him smoothly to become, the deputy majority leader. The deputy minority leader, Honorable Apenyo Maki, has moved smoothly. He's transited smoothly to become the majority leader. Master, that is what you do with smooth transition. So there's no break. There's no upheaval. There's nothing. In fact, I started here, July, a press conference, we said, Ubian Sisa, Chairman Sabunsu. And I'm saying, Abba, history way ever repeating in one. Now, this morning I was listening to you when you were doing your early morning, me and son, I was starting. Yeah. Hey. And I now can say, Chairman Sabunsu, Ubian instead of presidency, and out now. But come now, at the end of the day, as they say in French, c'est la vie. It's about negotiating. Don't negotiate in Antia Juma. And that is it. It is initially near see a pamno, naturally a cotton, and I like one analysis. Oh, yeah. How we end from the Ashanti region factor, and the central region factor, and the other factors, more. It just means that the Ashanti dominance at the top is too much.
Yes.
Aha. So they must make some compromises. The ABS initially was one case here. The president friend of Flagstaff House, Omudin Komono. Did you say, Yajuma? I'm not wrong about and the Kataba Bonti said, look, Majaya Jumano. Subsequently, Parliament, from my parliamentary sources, the day before the proper handover, Nankata, of Betina Nakunyum as leader. Then the day of the handover, back being announcing. And the day, Obaye or the Minkata Betu, the journal or Taiti. Tena, Omuye Bibi and Obeki Kate Free, and a Cotina when you mark in it. Master, smooth transition. Smooth transition. And that's the point I'm making. Even in team, Emba Bonten, the DD, Chairman Zabuso, on economics, I say. Justin Kobia, Emba Bonti, Emba Kashantia, Chairman Sabos. Say a warning for Flagstaff House. Say a pipeline and assume of Flagstaff House. Omufia Sem and Wedino. A Bontin there, we can speculate all we want to speculate. But the truth of the matter is that the MPP has succeeded in going through a smooth transition of leadership. And then Alexander Penyomaki, honorable member for Efutu. And I am majority leader. Fanti Fobeka, name, yet, we are still feeling the effect of that thing that happened. What happened? Who said, Yaruna, any, anything, I took forcing.
General Mancasa, reference, Mr.
Sorry, Mancani is there. Sorry, my chance. Not a dinner. Sorry.
Yes.
Good. Sorry. The honorable member for.
Enyan, Jumaku Enyan,
wonderful. That's the minority leader. Good. Where is that collaboration between Ono and Haruna? Then again, Aso Forcing was not even on the front bench during Haruna's time. So they just brought him from somewhere onto the front bench. Okay, MPP DNA, they have maintained another prayer. I think Habib Tijani has been also.
Patricia Piaget no more than a deputy.
Good. And no more the Baku free. I'm the Western region, baby. And the another second